QuickBooks Online Advanced is the most powerful QuickBooks Online plan, designed to make running a complex business a whole lot easier. Automated workflows like bill and invoice approvals help reduce errors and keep the cash flowing, with reminders going out to the right people at the right time. When it comes to managing your money, you can see it all and do it all right inside Advanced. Multiple spreadsheets, on-site servers? That's yesterday. Advanced gives you a powerful, customizable financial hub for your business that you and your team can access from anywhere. You can even create custom fields as well as custom reports from scratch and save them to reuse whenever you want. And the Performance Center in Advanced surfaces critical insights to compare your performance every month, quarter, and year, all updated automatically. But your company is unique, and only you know what success means to your business. That's why we make it easy to track the KPIs that matter most to you with your own customized performance charts. When it comes to the safety of your data, rest easy with automatic data backups and the option to restore your books to a previous point in time. With all your data and workflows accessible from one place, Advanced gives you a single source of truth for your business. Feel confident with complete control over who sees what, limiting access to sensitive business information with custom role permissions. When you have questions, you can count on a team of experts to provide you premium support. And our dedicated account management team is available to work closely with you to help you achieve your business goals, as well as realizing your vision for the future. Greater automation, more customization, and better control. That's QuickBooks Online Advanced.